and then you just click upload. I'm not going to do that because that will very much confuse my mini keys class. Yo, we are going to be learning how to export a GarageBand session from iOS to Google Drive and sharing it with our bandmates and teacher. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the session that we want to send. So it's like, oh yeah, I wanted to send the 1-6-4-5 progression in G major to my band. So we're going to hold it. Instead of just clicking it, we're going to hold it. And then it'll come with this drop-down menu. All the way at the bottom, we're going to click Share, and we're going to click Song. Do like a medium quality, and share. Oops. And now we have to look for our Google Drive icon. So I use mine frequently, so here it is. If you don't have it very frequently, you might need to swipe. If you still don't see it, you can go to More, look for it here. Of course, it goes without saying you need to have the app on your device in order for that to work. So make sure that you download Google Drive to your iOS device. And you also want to make sure that you are logged into the Google account that you want to share it with, or share it from, rather. So here we go. I'm going to click on Google Drive. It's exporting the song. Shouldn't take very long. The more tracks that you use and the longer it is, the longer it takes, just a heads up. I'm going to go to the account that I want to send it from, which is my Brooklyn Music Factory one. You might have your own Gmail account that you'll use, whatever you want to do. Okay, so here it is. It's labeled. It's an M4A, so that means it's good to go. We're going to go to my drive because it's not specific enough. Now I have a lot of bands, so I might go up here and I might use the magnifying glass and type in a specific band that I'm looking for. So why don't I do that right now? I'll do my Wednesday mini keys or something. So I'll go here and I'll say, yeah, I need to share this with my Wednesday group. Wednesday, yeah, my Wednesday 415, sure. We're going to share it with that band. And then you have all the different folders. So maybe it goes in the green grass grows all around folder. You'll click save here. Actually, that just dropped it into the mini keys folder. If you wanted to be more specific, then you can go down to the green grass grows all around. And then you could save it there. And then you just click upload. I'm not going to do that because that will very much confuse my mini keys class. But you want to make sure that you're uploading it to the correct folder. So that's how you navigate that, is through here, okay? And then your band folder will most likely be titled in Google Drive as the day that you go and the time. So that's a good way of searching for it, is you say, okay, let's say I go Friday at 4:30, you type in Friday 4:30, and then usually you'll see an abbreviation that stands for the age group that you're in. So MK for mini keys, JB 101 for Jam Band 101, and RWR for Rock Writing Records. So that's how you're going to search for your band. Right there is that magnifying glass. You could put in the day and the time, and then I'm sure within your Google Drive that will pop up. If for some reason like a folder is not loading, quick little ninja tip for you, just drag down and it'll reload that folder. Sometimes it's a little slow and it'll be like, oh, I forgot to tell you about that new band folder that we made. So that's a little trick for you to learn. All right, so I'm going to cancel the rest of it. And once it's done uploading, it will bring you back to this screen and you'll be all set. All right, guys, have fun sharing those tunes. See you later.